Welcome back. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch, Diocesan Society of Education and FORCE are on guard after the state government's decision to reconsider the issue of grants given to English primary school and entire MOI issue. Diocesan Society and FORCE stressed their demand that parents should be given the choice to choose the medium of instruction of their children. They say that government would have to take amicable decision taking all stakeholders into consideration. A delegation of BBSM would meet Chief Minister Parrikar in this connection.
Director of Education had filed affidavit in the court stating that government would reconsider the entire issue of MOI and grants given to English primary schools. Education Directorate will also issue a fresh circular to substitute the original controversial circular dated 10th June 2011.
I don't know exactly in what terms they filed the affidavit. I don't have a copy of that. But it appears that it's a good move because we have got positive assurances from the Chief Minister when we had a meeting with him that he will sort it out the things amicably which are going to be satisfactory to all the sections. And one positive assurance he has given us is that he is going to take all the stakeholders into confidence, which is good, before taking a decision. This cannot be in any way detrimental to the interests of the parents and the students because they have got concern for their students, for the future of the students, and we have supported their stand.
Father Zeffirino, speaking about BJP's stand on MOI in party manifesto, says there is nothing permanent in politics.
I don't want to say anything. Things can be changed. In politics, there is nothing called permanent. See, finally, but what is people's wishes? They are not going to cater to their demands. The government will cater to the demands of the people.
Reconsider the decision. We have not really gone through the affidavit that they have filed in the High Court. But for us, when they say reconsider, and if a choice is given to the parents to choose the medium of instruction, we have absolutely no problem. Now, as far as the BJP manifesto that what you are considering, it has been even said that there will be an amicable solution to the situation where the parents who have already chosen, their rights would be respected. So we have not infringed on anybody's right. We are purely on demand that our students or the parents have to get a choice.
आज किती तुमची मीटिंग झाली नाही भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाची?
No, that was just a general discussion.
तुम्ही आता चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळपाचे
ना ताणी मीटिंग आपयल्या ताजे लेवलचे डिस्कशन चालू आसा तेन्ना त्या संदर्भात काही डिस्कशन पूण अमूक अशें हें कांय ना भितर निर्णय हे डिसिजन अशें कांय ना ते तागेले सिरीज मीटिंग चालू आसा तातूंत भितरली आमच्या काही प्रतिनिधींक ताणें आपयले आमी सगळे जाण वेतले आशिल्ले न्ही प्रतिनिधी ते अशें त्या संदर्भात चर्चा आशिल्ली इतलें कांय ना.
Our reporters Navdeep Aguirre and Savio Dias with video journalist Omkar Falari.
General Secretary of ITAC, Christopher Fonseca, has condemned the government's decision on calling government workers for duty on 1st May. He has also demanded that Goa Mining Corporation should be instituted in the state.
AITUC has planned to assemble at KTC bus stand on May 1st. They will hold a rally from the bus stand to Azad Maidan to express solidarity with the entire working class and in support of their demands.
It only reflects the bias of the government against the working class. The Goa government has not understood the meaning of May Day. They have called the workers, government employees to work on May Day. We condemn this decision of the government and we call upon the government to see that the workers are given a holiday on 1st May, and you cannot make an excuse of panchayat elections to call the workers on May Day.
AITUC demands minimum wages of rupees 10,000 per month, abolition of contract labor, social security, minimum pension up to rupees 2,000. Christopher Fonseca also informed that the government should come out with a new mining policy, also to institute a Goa Mining Corporation and nationalize all the mines involved in illegalities.
we call upon the government to bring about a uniform mining policy where everybody will fall in line with this policy and all mines will function only for 5 days a week.
Rowan Da Costa and Sammy Gonsalves for Prudent Media.
Goa Ken held an awareness drive in Madgaon on Save the Frogs Day. The action is part of the Earth's Week with a view of bringing awareness amongst the people to stop eating the frogs or the jumping chickens.
Hundreds of volunteers came out on streets on Saturday distributing handouts informing them to stop hunting the frogs for commercial sale.
We are appealing to consumers to put a stop to this eating of frog meat. Hundreds of frogs are being slaughtered and supplied to restaurants privately. Because this campaign has become effective, in the last 3 years, the number of frogs being slaughtered has reduced. But we are still putting the emphasis on this issue because we have to reach a message that the environment has to be protected. Today, we know the increase of malaria has been because of also linked to the drastic decrease of frogs who have been consuming mosquitoes.
The frogs feed on mosquitoes which are responsible for the spread of malaria and other vector-borne diseases. Therefore, the frogs have to be protected. The increasing incidences of snakes entering the human habitation also contributes to the dwindling population of frogs. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.